Hi guys, it's your girl Afro-Nikki Beautiful, and in this video I will be sharing with you guys a revamped version of my Ayurvedic hair growth mask that you can use to boost strength, moisture, and growth in your hair. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I post a new video. So for today's video, I will be using organic hibiscus powder, organic aloe vera powder, henna powder, amla powder, bentonite clay, MSM powder, grapeseed oil, organic raw honey, raw whipped shea butter, tea tree oil. Last but not least, you will need some mixing spoons if you want to be particular with the measurements, as well as a bowl that we've already got here, something to mix with. I normally use my favorite conditioner, but if you don't have a favorite conditioner or you don't have a conditioner on hand, it's a-okay if you use just water in this mixture to make it easier to apply to the hair. Let's jump right in. First, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay, 1 teaspoon of amla powder, 1 teaspoon of aloe vera powder, 1 tablespoon of hibiscus powder, 1/4 teaspoon of henna powder, 1/2 teaspoon of MSM, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of grapeseed oil, 1/4 teaspoon of tea tree oil, and 1 teaspoon of whipped shea butter. Now that I have all of the ingredients in the bowl, I'm going to add 1 cup of conditioner and 1/4 cup of water before mixing it together thoroughly. I normally apply this mask on freshly washed hair while it's still wet, but if you want to apply this to dry hair, that works as well, and you can just spritz your hair with water for added slip. If you have a steamer or hooded dryer, 25 to 30 minutes would be ideal for leaving this in your hair. But if you don't have that, you can put on a plastic cap and leave it on for 45 minutes to an hour for the best results. Once you rinse the mask from your hair, you should experience soft, shiny, and moisturized hair. You should follow this up with your method of moisturizing, such as the lock method or the LCO method. That wraps up this video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, don't hesitate to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share with someone you know. See you in the next video. Afro-Nikki Beautiful.